like goal of 20 views or 5 likes. So I will be opening this Gardevoir tin for you guys. Contains 3 packs and 1 foil card, which is going to be the Gardevoir. And not sure what 3 packs there's going to be, but we will find out in this video. So hopefully these packs are good, because it's from Sun and Moon. And Sun and Moon's packs are really good. So I'm just hoping there's some good stuff in here. Okay, so here is the Gardevoir right here. Okay, here's the holo. I don't have this. And then here's the code for you guys for the tin. And it looks to be a Crimson Invasion tin. So Crimson Invasion. Oh no way! There's what's it called? Burning Shadows in here, and then Sun and Moon base set. So those are the packs. Some really good packs in there. Hopefully I can get something good. I'll put the Gardevoir in the corner, and then I guess I'll save Burning Shadows for last, and I'll open the packs like this. First, Sun and Moon base set. Oh man, why did I open it like that? Okay, here's the code. 4. Psychic Energy, Spinda, Potion, Hypno, Togedemaru, Stuffle, Marini, Dewpider, Bansweet, Litten, Reverse Holo, and a Beware non-holo rare. Okay, so this is going to be a quicker unboxing, because, yeah. Crimson Invasion's up next. Pack does not want to open. Oh, my camera fell. Okay, so that happened. Stop! Oh, why is my camera falling? Okay. Throw that aside. And here's the code. Let's hope for something good. Okay. Fighting Energy, Starivia, Gladion, Dashing Pouch, Stuffle, Feebas, Jingmoho, Staryu, Aeron, Raptor, Reverse Holo Rare, and a Holo Raichu. Okay, pretty good. Huh? Okay, and then for our final pack, Burning Shadows. Let's hope for something good. Burning Shadows is always really good. They also have a bunch of error packs, and their error packs are mostly very good. No way, the cards are chipped. Why? Okay, Water Energy, Bouffalant, Olivia, Kiawe, Oddish, Tenmo, Mudbray, Stuffle, Noibat, Verse Holo, Rare Scolipede, and a Slowking. Okay. Not the best of pulls. We got a promo, or a holo rare Gardevoir for the 10, a holo rare Alolan Raichu, and then 2 reverse holo rares, which is pretty good, Scolipede and Staraptor. Yeah, not the best of luck in this pack opening, but pretty good. Again, here are the codes for you guys if you missed it the first time. But anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!